If you want to make money in 2025, here's one of the best strategies that actually still works. This is a simple strategy using the 50-period exponential moving average, also known as the EMA, and a relative strength index, also known as the RSI. Both of these indicators are available on pretty much every single trading platform out there. First, we need to understand the basic premise behind this strategy. We are going to be using the 50 EMA as our primary moving average and the RSI as our momentum and overbought, oversold indicator. The strategy is simple. Buy when the price crosses above the EMA and sell when the price crosses below the EMA. But we're not going to just blindly buy and sell when the price crosses these lines. We are going to incorporate the RSI to give us an even stronger signal. Here you can see the price has crossed above the EMA. But if we look at the RSI, it is below the 50 level, meaning that there's not enough momentum to push the price higher. We only want to buy when the price crosses above the EMA and the RSI is above the 50 level. Same thing when we sell. We want to sell when the price crosses below the EMA and the RSI is under the 50 level. This may seem like a very simple strategy, and that's because it is. The reason why I like this strategy is because it's simple and it works great in almost all market conditions. It works great in trending markets, in range-bound markets, in choppy markets, and even in seasonal markets. This strategy will continue to work as long as the market is in an uptrend. One bonus tip that I have for you is to use a stop loss when you trade. You can use the high of the previous candle as your stop loss, and you want to keep your risk to reward ratio between 1:2 and 1:3. If you do this, you will find that this simple strategy will continue to grow your account over time. I know that you probably have a lot of questions right now, but before I reveal where you can get more information about this, let me tell you one more thing. Don't fall for those false prophets that are trying to sell you some magical indicator that's going to make you rich. If it was that easy, we would all be millionaires. The truth is that trading is hard and it takes a lot of practice and discipline to be successful. If you want real strategies that will save you time and help you improve your trading, then subscribe Ink by Khan for more content. In the next video, I'm going to show you exactly how to set up this strategy in TradingView. If this helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon because crypto never stops and neither should you.